Shanti. Today's Murli, 1st August 2021. Revised date 24 February 1988. Sir, the way to increase the blessings you receive from the bestower of blessings. Murli's important points. Today, Bab Dada is seeing his spiritual Chhatrak thirsty children. Each child is thirsty to listen to the Father, to have a meeting with him and to become equal to him. By listening to him, the thirst you have had for birth after birth is quenched. You know what special things you need in order to become equal? Do you not? In which things you have to become equal to the Father? You are becoming that and you have become that. As is the Father's name, so the children's name is the same. From the beginning, the Father gave you children the blessing of becoming equal. From the beginning, the blessings has been, may you be full of all powers. In Lokic life, a father or guru gives blessings. May you be wealthy. May you have a son. May you have a long life. May you always be happy. These are the blessings they give. To live from the moment you took your Brahmin birth to the end of the task of the establishment of the confluence is means to have a long life. Some are such that while leading this life they go into a coma. It is almost like not living this life. Sometimes they do wake up, but that living is just like having died. So, may you have a long life. Means always to live your Brahmin life from the beginning to the end and to live with all the attainments of the elevated divine life. The stage of a master creator is an unlimited stage. By being stable in the stage of a world benefactor, you consider all souls and the elements of a nature to be your creation, and you have good wishes and pure feelings of benevolence for them. Where will you constantly see yourself standing? Just as the creator of a tree is its seed, and when the tree reaches its final stage, the seed reaches the top of the tree. In the same way, an unlimited master creator will constantly experience the self to be standing at the top of the Kalpa tree. The speciality of a blessing is that the one who receives the blessing never has to labor. When devotee souls become tired, having labored so much, they ask the Father for blessings. When people come to you and they don't want to make the efforts to have yoga, what language do they use? They say, simply give me a blessing. Put your hand over my head. Blessing. May you be an embodiment of a remembrance and a conqueror of attachment who transforms your limited responsibilities into unlimited ones. In order to become a conqueror of attachment, simply transform your form of remembrance. There is attachment when you have the awareness. I am a householder. This is my house and these are my relations. Now transform the limited responsibility into an unlimited one. When you fulfill your unlimited responsibilities. The limited ones will automatically finish. However, if you forget the unlimited ones and just fulfill the limited ones, you are spoiling them even more because some duties become the illness of attachment. So, transform your remembrance and become a conqueror of attachment. Slogan: let your speed of flying become so fast that you go across any clouds of situations in a second. अच्छा, ओम शांति.